I am careless and I'm lost, 'cause she's left me with eyes far too lost. I have stumbled, crawled far ahead.
We're all packed up and it's time to get on the road. Onward Bound.
Still my mind don't want to, need her instead. When I see her, my heart feels like a sinking stone. I know I need her. I'm not sure if she's coming home. All alone, I'm not sure if she's coming home. All alone, I'm not sure if she's coming home.
I had to stop and get gas. I almost totally forgot, but yep, since we're here and we have about 40 miles till our destination, I'm gonna go ahead and get gas. I probably would have been okay, but I'm a little under a half a tank and I really don't like going under half a tank, so I'm filling up now. It is $2.53. Not bad. I'll top it off to 55. So that was from a half a tank. I usually don't like to get my tank down to a quarter, but if I do, I can go about 300 miles on that much gas. I had 2 tacos for 99 cents if you get a combo. So I got the number 1 and also some tacos. Yum. I'll eat the tacos later though. Ready to get on the road? Yes. So much farmland and cows in Texas. There goes more. Moo! We are about 20 miles away from Columbus, and that is our destination for today.
It's the smallest Walmart I've ever seen.
I know. It is small.
It's really small. You're not going to find what you need in there.
Maybe not. I don't even see Colleen and Mick.
I don't either. I think it scared them and they went further on.
Could be. I grabbed some supplies here from Walmart, like some extra oil, yes, that's a plus, and then also like some tool bags and just some organizing stuff so I can get a little more organized. Also, we won't be staying at this Walmart because it is too small. It's not a full-size super Walmart, it's a small one, and it's part of a strip mall. So what we're going to do is head on. Terry and Scott have to get some propane from Love's, so we're gonna stop by there and then we'll decide from there where we're gonna go. You ready, girl?
We're ready.
Yay.
Now, in the dark I wait for the moment to slip and slide away. I feel bad, bad to my bones, left it waiting like a fool.
This windshield is nasty. I keep on forgetting to clean it. I've been to a gas station, but I just forgot. How could I forget? I know. It's nasty. Alright, I'm gonna get to it. Clean the window, clean the window. Ooh, all the bug guts. Disgusting, disgusting. Ugh. Much better. Not only was it filthy with dirt, but there was dried bug guts. I had to clean it like 3 times. Ugh. Alright, Moo-moo poo-poo, come on. Let's go see Scott and Terry. Come on. Good girl. What you doing, lady?
Oh, scared me. I was trying to find us a place.
Oh, did you find something?
No, there's nothing.
Oh, darn it.
So,
Between here and San Antonio?
no, nada. I mean, there are, but those are out of the
Then
way.
You gotta veer upwards. Oh, well. Well, there is a rest area, but that's 60 miles. That's probably way too far. So.
Okay, well,
Alright, go. So I don't believe this Love's is overnight friendly. It has 1 hour customer parking, no loitering, unauthorized vehicles will be towed at owner's expense. It's a beautiful field with a little lake. So we're probably just gonna head on to the rest area. There's Scott and Terry, they're filling up on some water. They just got propane. There is a truck lot over there, but not sure if RVs are welcome them there. So do y'all just want to go to that rest area 60 miles away?
Yeah, I don't really know what choice we have, because there's really nothing. I was looking on Pandemonium, and there's nothing on there either.
That's cool. So just let me know whenever y'all are ready.
Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to make it all the way there without getting out of the car and standing up a couple times. I'm not sure.
That's a-okay with me. I'm good with stopping like a couple times or just one time, whatever. It's up to you.
Okay, well, you lead, and then if I need to pull over, I'll get on here and tell you.
Sounds good.
Okay, that's just about done.
Alright, I have that rest area in my GPS since that's where we're going to. Just let me know when y'all are ready to get on the road.
Okay, just a sec.
Okay, so I'll just wait on them. I actually have to call Mick and them and tell them, because I told them we might be staying around this area, but we're not, so...
Okay, we're ready whenever you are.
Okie dokie, 1 minute. Hey, we'll go to the rest area, and that's probably where we'll just crash for the night and then get up tomorrow and go the rest of the way. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Alright, it is time to get back on the road. I think everybody's ready. Colleen and Mick are already at the rest area. So, we're just gonna go meet them there. We were gonna try to stay around here, but there's nowhere really to stay. No free campsites or anything like that. So yeah, let's go.
Head north on South Eagle Street.
Thanks, Bev. Alright, so west we go. Oh, oops. Scott, had to get out for something?
In 800 feet, turn left toward I-10 West.
Should I catch
Signs
up?
for I-10 West.
Thanks, Bev.
Turn left toward I-10 West. Signs for I-10 West. Then turn left onto the I-10 West ramp.
Okay, people, is you going or what? Thank you.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-10 West.
Waiting like a force too far gone. When I see her, my
Colleen and Mick are actually at the rest area one back, which was 30 miles. We thought they were at this one, but as we were passing, we saw them. We decided that we'd go ahead and come to this one since it's so close to San Antonio. We're only 60 miles away, and then we will, I guess, let them catch up to us. It's a pretty big and nice rest area with a lot of green trees. I hope that carrier truck does not plan on staying all that long because it's refrigerated, and those refrigerated ones are loud as crapper. Yeah, that would be kind of irritating all day long. The moon is out. We've decided that we're not going to stay here at this rest area. It might be a bit too loud, and we're only 60 miles away from my aunt's house back in San Antonio. So we're just gonna do that. We're gonna go back to my aunt's house in San Antonio. We're gonna rest here for a little bit, take a walk, and I'm gonna walk Moo-moo. And then we're gonna get back on the road because it's almost nighttime. It's gonna be a lot cooler. Panda has been running excellent, knock on wood, because I haven't had any issues since Mick has filled the radiator. I don't know if it wasn't getting enough of that fluid from the reserve bottle here. So I was told that, Scotty told me that it could have been my cap. He said he had a problem with his cap and they replaced it and it fixed the problem. So I'm gonna buy them since they're only, or buy one since they're only $5 when I get to San Antonio. But yeah, we're gonna head back there here in a few minutes, and that way we can just relax for a couple days.
Dark covers night.
Alright, night is upon us. It's time to get back on the road. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all.
I'm not sure if she's coming home. And my heart's like a sinking stone. All alone, I'm not sure if she's coming home. All alone, it feels like a sinking stone. My baby, my heart's like a sinking stone. 'Cause I know she's not coming home.